always liked watches but haven't worn one for several years and really don't know much about them. As someone who generally likes all things DIY, I was naturally struck when I came across this company called DIY Watch Club. Rewind a few weeks and I was watching a Rolex restoration video on YouTube and I was mesmerized by how intricate and detailed an automatic watch can be. I wondered what kind of tools and how much time it would take to learn how to do something like that, so I poked around on the internet for a while and then went about my day. Later that night, Instagram fed me an ad for DIY Watch Club, and after spending a few minutes on their site, I knew that I had to try it out. I reached out to them and they were kind enough to send me a kit of my choosing. They have so many models, I honestly wanted to try them all, but I settled on this Explorer-style dress watch. The kit literally comes with anything you need to put the watch together from start to finish. In addition to the parts and the tools, it even comes with things like finger cots and Rodico putty to keep everything clean and professional during the build process. The Seiko movement comes completely built, but besides that, everything else is in pieces. As you can already tell, this isn't intended to be a how-to video because when you buy the kit, each one comes with a super detailed step-by-step instructions, and I would be doing you and them a disservice by trying to show you how to do this. But as you can see, someone with virtually no watchmaking or repair experience can follow along and put together their own watch. The videos are specific enough to build the watch you have, but general enough to where the skills will transfer to other watches as well. Here I'm connecting the luminescence to the dial and then the dial to the movement. It's a delicate process, but not too difficult. By far the most challenging part of the build was the hour, minute, and second hands, but I took my time and watched the instructional videos several times. The kit also comes with 2 sets of hands just in case you make a mistake, which is a nice touch in my opinion. One of my favorite parts of this project is the tools that come along with the kit. This video won't do justice to the quality of these tools, and now I have a head start on some repairs I need to make on my other old watches. Another bonus is the ability to personalize the rotor, so I had my logo engraved and just love the way it adds a little bit of customization. If you're still watching this video, you may be interested in getting one of these kits for yourself. I've teamed up with DIY Watch Club to offer a 5% discount to my followers by using the code DIY with RLL at checkout. And if you want to help me and this channel out, use the referral link in the description to let them know that I sent you. I've been wearing this watch for about a week and I've found it to be a great conversation starter. People ask me what kind of watch it is and they can't believe it when I tell them that I built it. They also comment how heavy it feels and how high quality it is, and the cherry on top is when they see my logo engraved on the rotor. I'm so happy I found this company and embarked on this journey, and I cannot wait to keep learning this craft, and maybe one day I'll get to the point where I can do a full restoration of an old or broken luxury piece. I'm also thinking about using these skills to modify or customize other watches, which can be an entire hobby and even side business in and of itself. I hope you found this video useful or entertaining, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you think I should do more watch content on this page. Thank you all so much for watching.